Hello everyone, this is Michael Langdon, and today we're going to look at two verbs that people often get confused, and they are lay and lie. Probably the best way to look at lay is that it is similar to set. Here we have some examples. The first one we have is, I will lay the pen down on the table. And as you can see, this is very similar to set because we can also say, I will set the pen down on the table. Here's what you need to know about lay. Lay needs a direct object, meaning that you have to have something to lay down. In the graph on the right, you can see I is the subject, lay is the verb, and you have to have something to lay or set down, if you want to think of it that way. And that would be the pencil in I lay down this pencil. Here we have the various verb tense forms of lay. So the present tense of lay, of course, is lay. The past tense of lay is laid. The past participle tense, which would include the helping verbs of have, has, or had, is also laid. And then, of course, the present participle is laying. So here we have some example sentences that you can look at. So for the present tense of lay, we have sharpen the pencil and lay it on the desk. For the past tense, we have she laid the pencil on the desk when I asked. For past participle, we have she had laid the pencil on the desk when I asked. And for present participle, we have she was laying the pencil on the desk when I asked. Now we are moving on to lie. And if you want to think about it, lie is similar to sit. Really, lie means to recline, but when we sit, we're also resting. We're not moving, which is very similar to lie. Here we have two example sentences for comparison. In the first one, we have the pencil lies on the notebook. And on the second one, we have the pencil sits on the notebook. So here are our various verb tense forms. The present tense of lie is lie. The past tense of lie is lay. And this is where lie and lay are people often find them confusing. And then the past participle of lie is lain. And this would come with the verbs had, has, or have. And then the present participle is lying. So here we have some example sentences. So the present tense, lie. The sharpened pencil lies on the desk. For the past tense, we have the sharpened pencil lay on the desk. For the past participle, we have the sharpened pencil had lain on the desk for days. And for present participle, we have the sharpened pencil was lying on the desk. So the question you're probably asking yourself is, how do you figure out which one to use, lay or lie? It's actually pretty simple. You use lay if you are setting something down. Use lie if something is already resting in place.